Hey guys, my name is Lily and today I want to show you my EDC equipment that I carry every day, either on my body or in a backpack. So first of all, I would like to start with two items that I carry on my body every day. And this is first of all this very cheap Casio watch. I really love this one because it reminds me of MacGyver. And I watched a lot of MacGyver when I was a kid. And this watch has a little bit of a nostalgic value to me. So I really love it. It's reliable. And I got one in a green color because I really do love green. Now next here is my EDC knife. And this is a 111 millimeter Victorinox knife. And it's the old version with a button at the side. And this model is actually the Picnica model, which comes with a blade. And this is a can opener. This is a bottle opener. And also you can use both of them as a flathead screwdriver. Then we have an awl and a small mini screwdriver inside of the corkscrew. And we got a toothpick here. At the other side we have some nice tweezers. And on this side I've installed a pocket clip by the company Leatherman. So yeah, this is what I carry inside of my pocket and on my wrist every day. Brave Mucki, du. Ja, brave Mucki. Brave Mucki. Okay guys, so every day in the morning I'm walking Amy, and this is the belt that I'm using to walk Amy because I want to have both of my hands free because I'm doing a lot of Nordic walking. So when she's pulling, she's really strong, and with this belt here, it's really comfortable. And this belt is actually by Tasmanian Tiger. I believe it's a tactical weapons belt, and so far I've used it for 1 year, and this is really a great belt. Here at this side I have two magazine pouches. In one pouch I have a really good pepper spray. Then here at this side I have the Victorinox Hunter Pro knife. I carry this for self-defense. It has a really nice and comfortable handle. It's a really great knife. So really awesome. And also down here you have a piece of metal coming out, so you could use this as a glass breaker. So really awesome knife for EDC and for self-defense. Then here I have a small pouch. And in this pouch I always carry some water. And I have a small saw in here. Because sometimes I go and walk inside of bushes and wilder areas. So sometimes I have to cut my way free from thorns, and this is why I always have this small saw here. This is by the company Koglenz. It's actually quite a cheap saw, but it's cutting really well. And yeah, actually now it's not that cheap anymore, so I paid like 20 euros for this saw here in Europe. So yeah, nice little saw, and it's very lightweight, doesn't drag me down. Then here in the front I have some plastic bags for Amy. And then at this side I have a small first aid kit. In here I have the basic necessities like tampon, alcohol prep pad. This is for the eyes, so it's eye drops, band-aids, all kinds of band-aids. This is a labello. Then here I had some disinfection spray in it, but it has accidentally opened, so I have to get and fill in a new disinfection spray. Then also here I have a small flashlight. I got a signal mirror, some steri strips, a small folding scissor, a file, yeah, this is some dental floss. And I keep this sewing kit with a couple of needles in here. So yeah, pretty good kit. And it's really nice for such a small first aid kit. Yeah, this small first aid kit is by the company Tatonka. It's really durable and nice. So yeah, this is the belt that I'm using for walking my dog, and I use it every day and it's awesome. Okay, next I would like to show you my EDC pack. This is a small pack by the company Tasmanian Tiger again. It has 15 liters. I believe it's called the Essential Pack. And I've had this for over a year now. I'm really happy with this pack. It's a normal size, lightweight EDC pack. And this is what I love. So what I got on my pack is, first of all, a tactical flashlight. It comes with a striking bezel. So yeah, really awesome flashlight for self-defense. And then also here I have a glass breaker / Kubotan. Then here in the front I have quick access to my tactical gloves. And these are by the company Oakley. Really awesome gloves. Really great. Then here at this side I have, this is some antibacterial, how do you call it, hand disinfection gel. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside of the pack. Here I have my patch, SurvivalLilly Alone in the Woods, and I carry a carabiner. Okay, then inside of the pack I have another carabiner. Usually I put my car keys onto this carabiner. Then also here I have a really nice signal whistle. Then I never go outside with carrying some water in a stainless steel bottle. Then also in here I got tissues. Then I got another first aid kit with the same contents as with the other first aid kit. And then I got this pack here, as well as my big self-defense knife by the company Sock. This one is really nice. It's called the Daggett 2. And I believe it's not sold anymore, so it's sold out. And I bought this one used in a perfect condition. And I'm really happy that I got a really good dagger now. So this is my self-defense knife. And I have to say, guys, that I never carried such a big knife. Not even in the city. Like 15 years ago, I did not carry any knife. Because back then Austria was really safe. But now, yeah, we get more and more lunatics in Austria. Very bad things are happening. And because of this new development in Austria, I've decided to never leave my house without any knife anymore. Yeah, it's really sad, but what can you do? Alright. So this is my EDC pack. First of all, I got some earplugs. Then I have this really nice bit kit, which works together with a ratchet that I have in the bag. Then I got a small compass. I got some really good zip ties. Then I have a notebook, something to clean my glasses. I got some toothpicks in here. This is some iron saw. So this is a really nice iron saw that you can use like this if you have to saw yourself through a log or something. Then I got some super glue. Again, a folding scissor. Some tape measure. Then I got a small little power bank, which runs with an 18650 battery. So you can either charge this battery with this device, or you can charge your phone with this device. So that's a really nice small, yeah, power bank, and I really love it. And with this one battery I can charge like 30% of my phone, or maybe half of the phone. Then I have one more small flashlight. Then I have these small Knipex pliers, and I got this really awesome ratchet, which I can use together with my bit kit. So that's really awesome. And then next in here I have this tin can, and I'm using this as a Faraday cage. In here I have some electronics and cables. So I got charging cables for the power bank, and then also in here I got a small radio, which is also a USB drive, and also you can record messages, which is nice. Yeah, and then in here I got more cables and earphones, adapters and so on. So yeah, this is what I got in this small Faraday cage. So yeah, actually I should put this inside, but it doesn't fit, unfortunately. So yeah, unfortunately I can only fit the radio, but maybe one day I find a bigger small tin. But this one is really great, so I really love this tin. Okay guys, so this is my EDC gear, and I love it. It's great. Previously, in the last years, I was carrying much more inside of my EDC pack, but it was always dragging me down. So now I'm focusing on the bare essentials, and I think that this pack, this is just enough for if you are traveling inside of your town, if you go like shopping in a grocery store, or if you go and buy something at a hardware store. So I think this is plenty enough of gear for a short distance to your home. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned till next time.